my name is Courtney and I work in the EM&I apprenticeship, which is electronic mechanical instrumentation. It's brilliant obviously because you get to do both.
I'm Lucy, I'm an assistant project manager for Wessex Water. I'm responsible for looking at small and large schemes, working with stakeholders, construction guys, designers, commercial elements to make sure that we have a successful project.
My name is Lorraine, I work for Wessex Water as a process design engineer. I'm in the wastewater treatment side of things and we look at designing new sewage treatment works or growth to sewage treatment works when it's required.
A typical working day is really difficult to describe. I'm usually in the office about 2 days a week, but then the other 3 I might be out within the Wessex region talking to operations or liaising with stakeholders or residents or working with the project team.
I do 3 days a week in work and 2 days a week in college. The 3 days a week of work that I do at the moment, I am in the workshop, so I'm taking many things apart, finding out what's wrong with them, a lot of fault finding as well. In college, I do a PEO course, which is mechanical, so I do a lot of panel building, and I also do a BTEC course, which is mainly theory, which gets me through onto my HNC.
I went to university as an undergraduate in chemistry and then I went on to do a PhD in chemistry. I started at Wessex Water as a scientist and then moved over into the engineering and construction.
Prior to joining Wessex Water, I was able to work out in Nepal, and I also spent nearly 3 years working in Christchurch, New Zealand on the earthquake recovery. It really proved how transferable engineering skills are.
I chose this apprenticeship because when I was younger, I got brought up by my dad. Now, he inspired me to do what I do. He taught me everything I know, which then he actually inspired me to take my engineering in school. He said to me, you know, it'd be a great option for me because he'd know I enjoy it.
But I really enjoy the fact that you see a whole overview of each project. You have a real sense of achievement from seeing it from a dot on a plan, going all the way through to having a major construction project like the one behind me.
So I enjoy this apprenticeship because getting to take things apart and finding out what's wrong with them is great. You know, taking a job from the start, fixing it, repairing it, making it look good, finishing it and seeing the difference between the two is mind-blowing. Working here with the lads, you know, they're a good laugh, they treat me the way I should be treated and they're really, really helpful in the workshop.
My biggest achievement is when I won an award, so for my contribution for work at Pool Sewage Treatment Works, I came up with an innovative idea to reduce costs and to make the process more efficient.
I think it's really important to celebrate women in engineering and any diversity. The more personalities, the more perspectives that you get, the better this industry is going to be and the better your outcome.
Historically it's been a very male-dominated industry and I think women have a lot to offer and we can bring a different perspective.
It just shows that women have so many more opportunities now and that year by year we're getting more and more women in engineering that used to be such a male-dominated industry. I'd say go for it because you get paid on the job and on the training, and if you work hard through your apprenticeship you get great opportunities at the end to go further with the company.
What I would say to someone considering a career in engineering is anything that you want to do, you can do it, you just have to want it enough.